Hello Corkies, it's Bryn, bartender Bryn, back with our next installment of the Fall Cocktail Series. I'm giving you pear this time. I haven't done any pear cocktails yet, so I wanted to give you a Pear-y Ginger Cocktail. Stick around for the recipe and the how-to. Hey Corkies, welcome back to corkandjava.com, where your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that little bell so you never miss a video. Okay, so we are wrapping up our fall cocktail series, but we're not quite finished yet. We still have a few to go. As I mentioned, we haven't done any pear-related cocktails yet, and I think pear is mostly a fall fruit, right? So I wanted to do something that is, pear-y. So I did Pear-y Ginger Cocktail. So what you're gonna need is a pear. You can use whatever kind you have or is available. There weren't a lot of options when I was picking. So I think I used a Bartlett pear, but you can also use like a Bosc or an Asian pear, whatever you fancy. And then you'll need ginger ale, vodka, a cocktail shaker, and this syrup. So this simple syrup is with ginger, like actual freshly sliced ginger, pear, and obviously sugar, granulated sugar, and water. So what you'll do for the simple syrup is just do it like you would normally make a simple syrup. I did a cup of water, a cup of sugar, and then I sliced very thinly the pear, probably like a quarter to half a pear, and threw that in with it. And then I also took off like a little chunk of ginger, sliced that very thinly. And as it came to a boil, I was kind of like muddling it in the pot, the saucepan, to let those juices and stuff incorporate with the simple syrup. So then you let it cool, throw it in the fridge or the freezer or whatever, so that it's good to go. And this is about how much it made, so almost like a full bottle. So it'll make, if you're making these for more than one person, you'll be set. So all you're gonna do is throw some of your pear in here. This is in lieu of ice, okay? And then you'll throw the rest in your cocktail shaker. So throw this in here. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna muddle this. Let some of the juices kind of come out of the pear. Okay. All right, so I have about an ounce of the simple syrup. I'm gonna throw that in here. I have the vodka. I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of vodka. And we are using Skull. That's our go-to around here, as you all know if you watch the channel frequently. And then I'm also gonna add just a little spritz of lemon. And again, it's fine if you get the seeds in there because you're gonna strain it over the ice. All right, so let's see if this is on. Go ahead and shake it. Pour it over your pears. And then you are just going to top with your ginger ale. This will give it some fizz, but still keep that ginger flavor. You could also use ginger beer if you prefer ginger beer. And you can garnish with a little slice of pear, but there you go. It's a Pear-y Ginger Cocktail. I love it. So the main components obviously are pear and ginger and vodka. It's a match made in heaven. If you want to make it stronger, obviously you can if the pear and ginger is a little bit too pronounced for you and you need a little bit more of the alcohol taste, but I think this is great. This is like one of those dangerous drinks where like everything is blended so perfectly that you don't realize that, oh no, I'm pretty buzzed or drunk until it's too late. So definitely be careful with one of these because this is like, it's just perfect. All right, so make sure that you guys give me a thumbs up. You help me put my face across YouTube and Billy's face across YouTube by giving us a likes up, and make sure you guys find us online. We are on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and on Instagram. We have great content and great community in all those places, so be sure to check it out. I am looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up.